Hi everyone, I'm RF Siddiqui. A very short introduction. I worked for 28 years in the banking and financial industry for a very large international bank, and since last many years I have been engaged on a digital transformation, which is more on a latest technologies which is being adopted by the financial industry. So today the topic is more towards the blockchain for the financial industry. So everybody of you aware of that what is internet and how we are today using the internet. So what is internet? Internet is for internet for information. So what we do, we send the PDF file to any of the guy and that person gets the PDF. And in fact, or any other file like a photo or any document we want to send it to someone, what happens? Actually, we are retaining the original of that document and we are forwarding the copy of that to this person. Same as if this person want to send this file again to someone, what he does basically, he just send it to a file to another one and that person gets the file too, but actually original is still with me, which is the first time the file has been generated. So that is the internet for information, and this has created some of the issues around, in fact, which is more on intellectual rights and other things. The biggest problem which came up in 2008 when the financial crisis has happened, there is a guy called Satoshi. He has wrote a paper which is called blockchain. And the blockchain, what he was trying to solve is that double spend. So what is the meaning of double spend in this case? Like suppose that I am having $100 and I want to send it to someone $100 too. He can receive the $100 digitally, but actually I am also having $100. So who will spend then the $100? Me or this person who received digitally the $100? And that's the real problem when these people have gone and tried to resolve the double spend problem, and that's how the whole blockchain and technology has been evolved, and Bitcoin has been generated as a cryptocurrency. The whole purpose was basically to transfer the money without the intermediary. So what is intermediary? Like many years, hundreds of the year, the banking actually played the role of the trust and the intermediary. The people want a trust. People want that when they are sending $100 to someone, this person should get that $100 and I should not be in trouble in a sense that I have not sent or it is not gone very rightly. So these are the intermediaries which are sending the money from one place to another place. Of course, there are many areas which we'll discuss that involved into when the banks are sending the money from one place to another place. Now, what is the blockchain now, and what is the revolution came into the internet space? Now, we are in an industrial revolution 4.0, and every one of you are aware of that industry revolution 1 was a more of a steam, and you saw the value of the steam engine at that point of time in industry revolution 1. The industry revolution 2 came in where the electricity came in, and third generation of industry revolution, third is all about computers, internet revolution. Fourth industry revolution is all about the new technology like IoT, artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, robo-process automation. And under this industry 4.0, blockchain can play a very big role, because that is the place where we can avoid intermediary, or even we can reduce and shrink the role of intermediary and come up with a technology which can be more faster, more cheaper to do things which is, I call it, internet of value. So to me, if you ask me, the definition of the blockchain is internet of value. So we can transfer valuable things through by using the blockchain technology, and it can be used for many, many places. We will not discuss here all the use cases in the industry. We will focus mainly on financial industry.